salt NaCl, that is also polar. Alcohol is polar solute. Alcohol is a polar solute, and we also have. When we mix it with one another, we have a completely miscible solution. So polar solutes will always dissolve in polar solvent, while in this system, water oil system, what is the solvent in this system? Yes, what is the solvent?
Non-polar solvent.
What is the solvent? Water is the solvent, and on this we have oil is the solute. We have take a small amount of oil and make a solution. 20 to demonstrate that miscible liquids dissolve in each other and immiscible liquids do not. What is meant by miscible liquids? Last night.
miscible liquids do होते हैं not miscible
Which dissolve in one another, and immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids which do not dissolve in one another. Okay, today we have this graduated cylinder, this one beaker. This is 250 ml beaker in which we have performed water oil system, and in other we have performed water salt solution. Okay, this is water in small beaker, and this is oil in the small beaker, and this is salt NaCl. What is salt? NaCl. And NaCl, we know that is it a polar or non-polar?
Polar.
This is polar solutes. So we have to perform a practical in which we have, this is water oil system and this is water salt system. Take the water in a from small beaker to large one beaker, okay, and now put some amount of salt, okay, small amount of salt, add it in a beaker and dissolve it. Dissolve it in this way, okay, class 9?
Okay, ma'am.
Now see that this water salt system is completely miscible in one another or not?
Yes.
Yes, it is miscible. Why? Because it is a uniform solution. You cannot see any other salt crystals in the at the bottom of the beaker. Okay. Now we have to take another beaker in which we have take some water, and now we have to take oil. Dissolve it in this way.
Yes.
Now we have prepared a solution of water oil. Water oil, now what you will observe? Tell me. Is it miscible or immiscible? Immiscible. So as they are immiscible, so it forms two different layers. One is the oil, the other one is the water. Now tell me that what is the principle behind this physical method? Okay, separation of a given mixture by physical method. And experiment number 1, separation of a mixture of iron filings and sand by a magnet. This is your magnet, okay, this is your filter paper. This is your filter paper, this is magnet. This is sand or soil, okay. And instead of iron fillings, we are using these thumb pins, okay. These are iron fillings. So, you know that we have how many types of mixtures? Class 8? 2 types. Yes. What are these mixtures? Yes, homogeneous. One is homogeneous mixture and the other one is the heterogeneous mixture. I can add this type of soil on a filter paper, understand? And spread these iron fillings. Spread some thumb pins on this sand, okay? Cover this thumb pins by a sand, that you cannot see these iron fillings, okay. Now by using a magnet, we can separate this mixture of iron fillings and sand, okay. What type of mixture is this? Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Yes, heterogeneous mixture. So by using this magnet, we can separate this iron fillings, okay. Look at this. You can separate this mixture or the constituent of a mixture through this physical method by using a magnet. Understand? Look, you have how many iron fillings are there? These are attached with the magnet. Now we have no more iron fillings in them or any thumb pins. Understand, class 8? Now come here and do it by yourself. One by one. Come here and do it by yourself. Yes, Alishma. Yes, Bisma, come here. Yes, first you have to form the heterogeneous mixture and then separate it by a physical method.
Okay class, revise the test all of you. Long question number 1. Okay class, stop revising and prepare the test page, all of you, hurry up. Stop revising and prepare the test page. Write down today's date, day, test number. Stop revising please.